For free learning videos, click subscribe.
Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's inside this? It looks like there's lots of shapes inside. Let's give it another shake. Oh no! They're stuck! Can you help me get them out? Yes! Put my hand in, I'm rummaging around, and what will I find? This is a red ball. This is a red ball and it goes whee! A is the letter, A is the sound that it makes. A is the letter, A goes the A. Shall we open the barns? Peekaboo! What was inside? It's a cow. Moo! Moo! Peekaboo! What's inside? It's a fox. It's a fox. Peekaboo! What's inside? It's a bird. It's a bird. What's inside? It's a chick. It's a chick. Tweet, tweet. Peekaboo. What's inside? It's a rabbit. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. B is the letter. B is the sound that it makes. B is the letter. B goes the bee. What's next? Rummaging around. What's this? This is a yellow triangle. A yellow triangle. What's next? Rummaging around, rummaging around. What's this? This is a blue cube. This is a blue cube. Ring, 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 ring. Hello, how can I help you? Can you count with me? We sure can. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. C is the letter. K is the sound that it makes. C is the letter. K goes the C. What's next? Rummaging around. This is a green hexagon because it has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a green hexagon. What's next? Rummaging around, rummaging around. It's an orange flower. This is an orange flower. Peekaboo! What's inside? It's a pig. Oink, 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 oink. Peekaboo! What's inside? It's a cat. Meow, meow. Peekaboo! What's inside? It's a sheep. Bah, bah. Peekaboo! What's inside? It's a donkey. Ee-aw, ee-aw. Peekaboo! What's inside? It's a horse. Meh, meh. What's next? Rummaging around. This looks like a purple pizza slice. This one's purple.
For free learning videos, click subscribe.